If you're sitting there thinking, building a YouTube channel will take too long, and I need money now, and I don't have time to waste, then this final video in our series is going to give you the clarity and the confidence to move forward. I'm going to show you how, with the right focus strategy, that you can start attracting high-paying coaching and consulting clients much faster than you think. This is part 3 of 3 on the biggest myths holding midlife professionals back from launching a successful YouTube channel or any other content channel to boost their coaching and consulting business. This fear, number 3, is real. You have financial pressure, family obligations, limited runway. You worry this is a slow, uncertain gamble. Well, here's the truth. When you use the right strategy, many of my clients attract their very first high-paying clients within the first 90 days, sometimes a lot sooner. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You don't need to post every day. You need 8 to 12 high-quality, authority-building videos that position you as the obvious choice for your ideal client. And those videos, they work for you 24/7, kind of like a silent salesperson, and you get to focus on client delivery. If you are serious about replacing your corporate income with meaningful coaching or consulting work, comment the word ready below, and I will send you my link to improve your existing channel and start your second act fast and efficiently. And be sure to download my free transformation blueprint in the description below. It contains every single document, worksheet, PDF, stuff that I use with all of my clients, and use it to build your channel with confidence and intention. You have earned this next chapter. Let's make it your most profitable and fulfilling one yet.